Woohoo! We got one. Well, good morning and welcome to OAM Garage. And this morning it is, well, when I first got out here it was about 36 degrees and I was slam cold. So now I'm not quite as cold. You know, unfortunately I don't have the luxuries of, you know, Vice Grip and all these other people like Puddins and all that, and DD. I don't have a shop. I mean, I do have a garage. I do have a garage, but it's slam full of junk. You know what I mean? Well, not all junk. I've got a Harley in there, and I've got a C5 Hammond organ, stuff that I've collected over the years that I really just need to kind of get rid of, you know. And then I'd have a shop, but the first thing would happen is, just like you clean it out, then your wife parks her car in it, and then, you know, it's still got a bunch of stuff, so you don't. So I should build one. So if you want to send me a, you know, like a $50,000, I'll add on to the shop, and we'll make us a shop. All right? Is that how they do it? I don't think so. But how many of you folks out there know what this is? That's right. Guess what it does? It puts tires onto your vehicles. Guess what that means? That means we ain't in the Coast Guard no more, fellers. There's the Coast Guard. That's what I was in. All right, so what we're going to do, I got my tires. I went ahead and cleaned them all up and painted them. And let me tell you the story about this. I thought those were 14s. All this time I thought I was running 14s. Well, I'm not running 14s. I'm running 15s. And guess what my Jeep, there's my Jeep over there, see it? Guess what my Jeep runs? 15s. So I have two sets of tires for that Jeep. One all-terrain mud tires, and I've also got street tires. You starting to go with me on this? Yeah, that's right. I took my stacked up tires and I got them pushed on to these tires. So right now they're just leaning up against it. They're not on there, but I couldn't wait. I had to go see what they look like. They're gonna look good, ain't they? So anyway, I got them all cleaned up, got them painted, got them mashed on. Those are Michelins, and let's get them on there and see what they look like. Because I'm going to put them on there, and then I'm going to put some dress rings and a hubcap in the middle, but I'm going to have to clean them up. But this old truck is starting to pop, buddy. Yeah. All right, let's do it. I don't know if that's going to stay there. All right, it'll stay right there. All right, let's get us some lug nuts. All right, who locked my door? Oh, it's not locked. All right, that's my new. I've been looking for that. I think I told you that last time. All right, so if I put 6 on there, or if I put 3 on there, there they are. I think I better have both of them. All right, so let's do it. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. All right. 1, 2, 3. Putting 5 on there. If 5 don't hold it, 6 never would. Who used to say that? I believe that would come out of all right, let's see here what we got. See if I can get my camera on it. Let's put my foot up under it. Let's see if we can get it up there. You know what? I'm going to stroll. I used to be wearing them lug nuts there. I think they're hiding. Hey, there's one. Woohoo! We got one. You know, I've been filming with 3 cameras, and it takes me all day. I'm talking literally all day long to edit, so I'm only going with 2 right now. I'm gonna go fast on this so you don't have to watch all this. Pattern. Yeah, no, I'm tightening. No, and I am putting 6 on each of them. I'm not putting 5. Okay. Well, I don't know if I am not. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Pattern. Tighten them up with a pattern. Okay, that's pattern. Tell me that don't look good. I wonder what happened if I pop one of these on there. Yeah, easier said than done. Yeah, it is supposed to go in there. There it is. Alright, let's go back. I know this is going to be hard. Because I don't think I'm raised up enough. But we'll see. Turn it higher. Oh, it's not. There we go. Look out. One thing I'll be able to do is I'll be able to set it down and pull it and see if I can get that motor unlocked. That'd be cool. Well, I don't even know if it's locked. I ain't even been able to check it yet. But if it's anything like these wheels were, it will be. Pattern. All right. Well, I ain't gonna put that on yet because I got my nuts in there. Gotta be careful with my nuts. All right, let's go over here. Uh-oh, somebody left my car door open. What are you thinking about? I don't know. Let all that heat out. Alright, let's see what we got here. You watching? Okay. Y'all know Rev? I like him too. Restoration, I think is what he called it. He's a preacher. Yeah. I ain't got my... He works on cars too. I love watching him. He's funny. I lived over there closer to him. I'm not sure what denomination he is. He's either a $2 bill or a $10 bill. It just depends on what you... I can't believe I have got 6 nuts for every one of these. It's so curable. Pattern. Gotta polish them up. I'm gonna have to take them all back off though. It's just for look for right now. Alright. Pause me. Alright, so lastern that's there. Oh, look at that. You know what, for an old man, getting around pretty good. I used to, when I first bought this truck, it didn't have, well, not many cars had radios. That was kind of a new thing. But this vehicle did not have radios, and I bought a brand new set of tires for it, and they're sitting right over yonder, but they're all dry rotted out. And I don't know if y'all remember this, but when it was cold, you would you'd have to warm your tires up, and they felt like they were tremendously out of balance. And that was the funniest thing. I mean, when you went dry, but when it warmed up, there's these, but it took a while to warm them up. Pattern, pattern, pattern. All right, good enough. Whoop, 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 whoop. All right, let me get my rest of my little round pops. Put them on there. I'm gonna have to buy some new ones. Look how rusted these are. Either there. Polish them. Yeah, I don't know. We'll get them somehow. Let's see. There you go. That's what I'm like. Oh. All right. I find if you put the bottom one on first and then pop the top one, they're easier to get on. All right. What do you think? Tell me that thing ain't popping now. All right. If y'all missed my other episode, you saw me mount this too. All right. So the next things that I'm going to be doing, and did I mention I was an old man? I think I did, because Lord, man, I'm out of breath. Mounted this, man, I couldn't be happier with that. I do got one of the wires up, but I'm not gonna hook it up. And I gotta pull, and I see it way down there. I gotta get up onto the truck to get it though. I'm gonna move it over here and hook it up to the main ground system so that I can pull it up here too. So I'm real proud of what's going on right now. But the two things I want to do is that. I want to do that. I need to take this alternator off, and I need to clean up that water pump. Measure for a belt. And also, I'm not sure I want to keep that oil bath on there. I may go with the air filter. And also, I'm going to clean up my horn. And you can put two holes right here and right there. The 49s and the 50s, 51, 52, and I told y'all this came out of a 62, and the way I can also verify that is there was two holes right here. And those two holes are what held on the horn. They're not here. They're over here. So I'm going to move it to up here, and I think that'll be better. I know it's quick. I've got a lot of stuff that I got to do, and I am going to get to this. You will be involved in it as well. I just got those new tires and got all that done, and I was just excited about it. I wanted to show you what this old truck looks like with them on there. Got one question for you. Alright, where's that valve? Get over there. Tell me down below if it's a yes or if it's a no. Do you like just the center pop or do you like that too? I'm kind of liking just the moon. I don't know about the dress ring. I don't know, you tell me. That's the way it used to be when I drove it around in college and all. Except it had white rims instead of the black ones. So, well, there you go. Starting to pop, ain't it? I'm so proud. All right, this is OAM Garage. Thanks you for looking in on me. And like and subscribe. I looked again, only about 93% of you that are watching, and sometimes it gets up in the thousands, are not subscribed. I need for you to subscribe. Also, I'd like for you to like. And so if you'll do that for me, I'll contact the Coast Guard. But love you guys. And what do I always say? Hey, y'all be sweet.